Hello everybody, myself Anubhuti Mishra from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. In the previous video of the chapter number 8 Geography, we have already studied about the cold weather season, the hot weather season, advancing monsoon, post or retreating monsoon. We have already studied about the nature of the monsoon. Now we are going to study about the distribution of the rainfall. What is the distribution of rainfall and how India is divided into the into the particular regions, which that is region under very heavy rainfall, region under heavy rainfall, region under moderate rainfall, and region under low rainfall. These are the regions, these are the four categories in which the India is divided into the monsoon. The rainfall is in India not evenly distributed. The rainfall is not equally distributed into all over India. Therefore, it is mainly attributed to the relief feature of the land and direction of the wind. Due to the direction of the wind, the relief feature of the land and direction of the wind affects the monsoon over a particular area. Means some regions where the rainfall is so much low, and some regions are there where the rainfall is into the high level, which is too much very heavy rainfall is done over there. Next, the distribution can be divided into four main categories. The distribution of the rainfall is divided. First one is regions under very heavy rainfall. Regions under very heavy rainfall. Second one is regions under heavy rainfall. First one is regions under very heavy rainfall, and the second one is regions under heavy rainfall. The third one is regions under moderate rainfall. Regions under moderate rainfall. Regions under moderate rainfall. Next one is regions under low rainfall. Last one is regions under low rainfall. India is divided into the four categories of the monsoon seasons. First one is regions under very heavy rainfall, where the rainfall is so much heavier than particular that of other regions. Next one is regions under heavy rainfall, means lower than the first point. The second point is regions under heavy rainfall, means heavy rainfall is going on over there but not too much. Next one is regions under moderate rainfall, means average rainfall is going on over there. Okay. Last one is regions under low rainfall, where the low rainfall is over there, that is the particular area of desert. We can say that, because into the desert area and into the dry area, the rainfall seasons not affect them. First one is regions under very heavy rainfall. Let's read about it. Let's know about it. The western coastal area and slopes of the Western Ghat are very heavy rainfall from the southwest monsoon of the Arabian Sea branch. The Arabian Sea branch This one is our southern India. The western coastal area of India. This one is western coastal area. Arabian Sea. The rainfall from the Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea affect the western coastal area so much. The western coastal area is affected by the Arabian Sea. The monsoon winds over there blow from the western coastal area. Then, while the eastern slope of the Western Ghat lies into the rain shadow area, the eastern coast of the western means the eastern coast, the under part of the western coast lie under the rain shadow area, means it is lie into the rain shadow, means when the monsoon arrive into the coastal area, it brings the rainfall into the rainfall here. Very heavy rainfall is done over there, but after crossing this, the area which is east of the western coast receives the rain shadow, means lowest or the lower rainfall is over there into that area, into that particular area. Okay, next, the rainfall decreases from the east to west as the Bay of Bengal branch of the southeast monsoon sets its moisture all along up to the Ganga Valley. The rainfall which comes from the Arabian Sea decreases from the western when it moves forward from the west to the east. Its rainfall decreases, but the monsoon season, the monsoon winds from the Bay of Bengal. The monsoon winds from the Bay of Bengal flows directly over the Ganga plain. Flows directly over the northern India into the Ganga plain and brings the rain over there. Means the northern part of India is mostly affected by the air which come from the Bay of Bengal. Okay, while the monsoon wind which come from the Arabian Sea not too much affect the area over the northern India. It mostly affects the western coast which is attached to that area, which is attached to the Arabian Sea. Next, this branch of southwest monsoon gets deflected by the Arakan mountain of Myanmar and then moves up to the Ganga plain. The southwest monsoon means the Bay of Bengal, the southwestern monsoon which arrives. This branch of southwest monsoon gets deflected by the Arakan mountain of Myanmar and then moves up to the Ganga plain. Means the southern western monsoon from the Bay of Bengal moves into the Assam area, moves over the Myanmar, okay, and it reflected by the Arakan mountain which is into the Myanmar, and this type of wind reflected by the Arakan mountain over the northern India means into the Assam, and then it flows to the northern India into the Ganga plain area. Okay, next, at this point it is forced to rise suddenly through a tunnel shaped valley near the Khasi Hills, part of the eastern Himalayas. Khasi Hill is a part of the eastern Himalaya which affect the monsoon winds and transfer it and mold it over the northern area, over the Ganga plains. Okay, in the Bengal, in short, the monsoon originated from the Bay of Bengal is blocked by the Khasi and Jaintia hills, and then east Himalaya ranges cause heavy rainfall in the northern eastern India. Means the Khasi and the Jaintia hills into the Assam plays the important into the Myanmar region, which is attached to the Myanmar region, affect the monsoon winds and mold it to the area of to the area of Assam. To the area of Assam. The mostly air which blow from this side also blow from southwest direction into the west direction, and it is affected by the Arakan mountain which is into the Myanmar, which is because the northeast India is attached to the Myanmar. Therefore, the Arakan mountain into the Myanmar divert this air, this wind, this monsoon winds over the northern eastern part, and the Khasi and Janta hills plays an important role to stop the monsoon to move into the Central Asia, and that's the way they do the rainfall into the northern eastern. These type of monsoon winds do the rainfall into the northern eastern India. So the two mountains, first one is Arakan mountain from the Myanmar, mold the monsoon winds into the northern eastern area, then into the northern eastern India. The Khasi and Jantai hills stop these winds and do the rainfall into northern eastern part of India. That is Assam, that is that is Nagaland. Into this type of area, northern eastern part of the India receives the very heavy rainfall. Next, the Himalaya ranges, hills in that east. Himalaya ranges cause heavy rainfall into the northeast India. In this way, Mawsynram near Cherrapunji in Meghalaya, Mawsynram mountain in the Cherrapunji near the Meghalaya. On the windward side of the northeastern hills get one of the highest rainfall. Cherrapunji receives one of the highest rainfall, and it is according to 1042 centimeter in a year. Cherrapunji receives the most rainfall, and it is about 1042 centimeter, okay, in whole year. However, Shillong, which is the neighbor of that Cherrapunji, gets only 200 centimeter of rainfall. Okay, this is because the winds, and this is because the climatic condition, this is because of the landforms over there affect the both places of that particular area. Means Cherrapunji receives so much rainfall over there, most of the rainfall over there, but the Shillong, which is attached to that of the which is the neighboring area of that Cherrapunji, receives about 200 centimeter of rainfall, and Cherrapunji receives the 1042 centimeter of the rainfall. That is the difference between the two regions, and now we get to know about regions under heavy rainfall. The area that receives 100 to 200 centimeter of the rainfall come under this category. In the regions under very heavy rainfall is about 1000, is about over 200 centimeter, which is more than 200 centimeter of rainfall counted into the regions under very heavy rainfall. But the regions under the heavy rainfall is counted under the 100 centimeter to 200 centimeter of rainfall is done over there. Next, the southeastern coast of India receives the moderate amount of rainfall during the winter season. The southern eastern coast of India means the region of the southern eastern coast means the region of Bengal and Odisha is counted into this area. The southern eastern coast of India receives moderate amount of rainfall during the winter, and from the northeast monsoon and the retreating southwest monsoon. Again, the amount of rain decreases with monsoonal movement from the south to the north and east to the west. The amount of rainfall become moderate into the winter season. The retreating monsoon plays the important role in giving the rainfall over there, and the amount of rainfall into the winter season at the last stage of the season, monsoon season get decreases, which is from the south to the north, which is from the south to the north, and from the east to the west, the amount of the rainfall become decreases. Next one is reasons under moderate rainfall. What are the reasons under the moderate rainfall? And what are the parameters to measure that? The area that receives 50 to 100 centimeter. The area which is counted into the 50 to 100 centimeter, this is the area, this is the category of moderate rainfall. The areas include Gujarat, Eastern Rajasthan, Western Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Northern Punjab, and most of the Deccan surrounding by the hills. Most of the Deccan area surrounded by the hills, Punjab, Rajasthan, Eastern Rajasthan, Gujarat, Western Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, these type of areas are counted into the moderate rainfall. Parts of Western Bengal, Eastern Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Punjab receives moderate rainfall from the Bay of Bengal. From the Bay of Bengal, these type of area receives the moderate rainfall. Not from the Arabian Sea, they receive the monsoon from the Bay of Bengal. Next one is Odisha and Madhya Pradesh are also included under the region receiving the monsoon rainfall, moderate rainfall. Odisha and Madhya Pradesh are also included into the moderate rainfall. Therefore, the most of the region of the India receives the moderate rainfall, that is from the Bay of Bengal branch. Okay. Next, the last one, reasons under the low rainfall. What are the reasons under the low rainfall? The area that receives less than 50 centimeter of the rainfall, the area that receives less than 50 centimeter of the rainfall, that is counted into the lowest rainfall. That is the reason under the low rainfall. Such as northern Ladakh in Kashmir, the northern Ladakh, Kinnaur and Lahaul Spiti in Himachal Pradesh. These are the two places into the Himachal Pradesh, that is Kinnaur and Lahaul Spiti. They also receive the very little amount of the rainfall. They lie beyond the reach of the monsoon of Karakoram and the Great Himalayas, which when they reach there, they are already dry. The monsoon winds, the monsoon clouds are stopped by the Karakoram ranges, which is into the Great Himalayas, and when they crosses, when the monsoon clouds crosses that mountain, then what happens over there? They receive the area of that region become so much dry and no any rainfall have been done over there. That's why it receives very low rainfall, which is less than 50 centimeter. So the Lahaul Spiti in Himachal Pradesh, Ladakh in Kashmir and Kinnaur are the places which receives the lowest rainfall. Why? That is because of these areas, however, do get snowfall in the winter from the western disturbance. These area gets the snowfall but not get the rainfall over there, and snowfall is due to the western disturbance. This gives rainfalls to Punjab and Haryana in plain, and the western disturbance gives the rainfall to Punjab and Haryana in the plain. In Rajasthan, what is the barrier between the Rajasthan and the western coast into the western monsoon? That is the Aravalli Hills. This play the barrier role between the monsoon winds and the Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, the Aravalli Hills run parallel to the direction of the wind, and these winds are warmed while passing over the Rajasthan desert. While passing over the Rajasthan desert, these winds are warmed. These winds are warmed because they already have done the rainfall over the western coast area, and that's why while crossing the Aravalli ranges, they become the rain shadow and don't do any type of rainfall over that area. That's why the region in Rajasthan are counted into the desert area, dry area. This increases the capacity of the wind to retain moisture and cause scanty rainfall. This increases the capacity of the wind the wind that crosses the Aravalli ranges and to move back from the eastern side of the India. This increases the capacity of the wind and then again retain the moisture and causes the scanty of the rainfall into the Ganga plain area, not over the Rajasthan basin. So this is the reasons that is divided India into many categories. So this one is the chapter 8. Now in the next video we will do the study about the next chapter, which is chapter number 7 of geography. India, our country, India. Thank you everybody. Take care of yourself.